Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Fieldwire app, a construction management software designed to help teams collaborate, track progress, and manage tasks efficiently. Fieldwire offers features like task management, blueprint viewing and markup, scheduling, and real-time communication. It allows field and office teams to stay connected by sharing updates, photos, and documents on one platform. The app supports offline mode, so work continues even without internet access. On the pros side, Fieldwire provides an intuitive interface for managing daily tasks and project plans. Its blueprint markup tools are particularly useful for construction teams needing precise on-site coordination. The app integrates well with other construction software like Procore and supports multiple users with role-based permissions. However, there are some cons. The pricing can be high for smaller teams or solo contractors. New users might face a learning curve due to the app's extensive features. Occasionally, syncing between devices can be slow, which may disrupt real-time updates. Overall, Fieldwire is a robust solution for mid to large-sized construction teams seeking detailed task management and communication tools. Smaller teams should carefully consider cost versus features. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.